In the last video, we posted down payment to the vendor. So in this video, we will post invoice received from the vendor and then make payment. So to post the invoice, go to accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, and then document entry. And then within that, it is FP60 invoice. And we'll select the vendor ending with 224. And let's say we received invoice worth $15,000. And then we'll post this against our stock account. So stock account. Now we want exists, accept it, and then post the invoice. Okay, so add enter into. Okay. Okay, so posting is made. Let's look at the document. So you can just say document display, and there was entry view. Now let's look at the general ledger view. So it says stock received to vendor account credit for 15,000. Now we'll attempt to pay this 15,000. We'll also use the down payment of $5,000 as well. Right. So we have the down payment. So let's clear the down payment first, and then we'll make the outgoing payment. So we go to down payment first, and we already used request and down payments. Now we are going to clear the down payment that we made for $5,000. So let's put today's date. So 4/15, and then accounts. Let's pick the vendor. And if you notice, this was the last invoice that was entered in FB60 for 15,000. So this was automatically added here. So let's clear process down payments. So this was the down payment that we had made. And let's select that and post. Okay, so document was posted. So now if you look at the document, this will show that the down payment is now credited and the vendor account is debited. So now the outstanding should be $10,000. So let's look at what it looks like. So for this vendor, for this company code, on this date, let's see open items. Okay, so we have 15,000 invoice, and against which we already posted 5,000 down payments. So now 10,000 should be pending when we go to outgoing payment. So let's go back to this screen, go back. So this was clearing of the down payment. We already cleared for five. So now let's do the outgoing payment for that vendor. So we go to outgoing payment and post, and so today's date and account. So we are going to pay cash. Like cash amounts 10,000. Okay, and here we need to pick the vendor account. Now here's a standard open item, so no special GL indicator, nothing. And let's process open items, and that is showing all these open items here. And now we need to process both KR and KA. So let's uncheck this. Let's uncheck this. And so that's how this will get settled. So 15,000 was the invoice, 5,000 was down payment, and 10,000 is what we had entered in the outgoing payment using cash. And so let's post that. Document has been posted. Now if you look at the document display, it will show $10,000 going out of cash account in with credit entry, and then supplier is debited with 10,000. And then if we go back to look at the vendor line item report, so it had shown 15,000, 5,000, and then it should all clear out. So let's go back and let's look at all open items also. Now if you look at this 15,000 invoice, it's cleared. So we have payment of 10,000 and 5,000. and they are all clearing document is 15,003. And so this was the one that caused the clearing, and that's why it is all marked green. So this is how you make the down payment, and then when time comes for outgoing payment, you can clear the down payment and then pay the remaining that way. Thank you. Thanks for watching.